Hi guys, this is Moti from Athletic Health, and today we're gonna talk about this $80 massage gun. I've been using this Phoenix massage gun for almost a year now, and I thought that it's a good time to review it. This massage gun is way cheaper than other products on the market. So usually most massage guns starts around $100 and go easily to $200, $300 and $400. But this massage gun cost me only 80 bucks. To be honest, it makes you wonder if it's worth it or not. So let me tell you my experience with this massage. So first thing I was thinking about, do you really need an expensive massage gun? The difference between an $80 massage gun and $400 massage gun could be big, but of course I'm not even talking about the extremely cheap massage guns which are $50 or less, which are probably just junk, really insignificant, no energy, no nothing. You can just see that they're not as good, as strong as these serious massage guns. But this $80 massage gun still has enough impact and quality. So let's start with thinking about battery life. Maybe that's something that I don't know. I haven't tried all the massage guns, so I can't determine which battery life is better for which massage gun. But I can say that I can easily do it for 15 to 20 minutes. It's much more than I can tolerate, and the battery works. Regarding strength and power of this machine, of the impact of the percussion therapy, so this is crazy. This massage gun is it's a killer. You have to actually be careful not to break something. Other massage guns like the Theragun or others have more levels, but these three are extremely helping for recovery, and I'm really not sensitive to pain. Most people that tried it also have actually do not go to the highest level, so that's one thing. So what does the massage gun actually do? The massage gun increases the blood flow to a specific muscle area, which can help us reduce inflammation and muscle tension and break up some pesky muscle knots, and it seems to linger after a hard workout. So for example, I'm working a lot with my lower upper shoulders and have a lot of tension and muscle knots, and the massage gun really helps alleviating that pain. It increases the blood flow to a specific area, and hopefully it can help reduce inflammation. So when and how should you use your massage gun? So if you lift weights, if you do heavy squats, if you have a lot of muscle soreness, the massage gun helps us alleviate these pains. So you wanna alleviate the pain and create blood flow. So usually you do it at night, post-workout. You can do it like 15-20 minutes after or later at evening. I do know that some people actually do it when they practice between sets. How much does it help? It definitely alleviates pain. It's 100%. You can just feel that it gives you an immediate relief, right? I'm not gonna say that you won't have any pains after, but it definitely helps to alleviate some pain, and definitely helps reducing muscle knots. So, what are the pros and cons of this Phoenix massage gun? So of course the major pro it has is the price. $80 is way cheaper. It's less than quarter of the price of the more expensive massage guns, right? So it's a big advantage, and why should you buy a $400 massage gun if this does all the work? So the better massage guns, the more expensive massage guns, are maybe they suit more for professionals, people like chiropractors and massage therapists that actually use them, or maybe sport massage therapists that are using them for many hours, for many people, all day, every day. But for the regular user, this is perfect. This really does all the work. I have it for over a year. The quality is good. You can see it's not gonna break easily. It's not cheap. It is Chinese. It is cheap, but the quality is good enough and it does not break, right? Everything is Chinese, by the way, isn't it? So I would say that if you're a regular user, you will not feel disappointed from this product. If you wanna invest more and you have the spare bucks, $200, $300, $400, then go for the more expensive ones, but don't feel that you're gonna miss out of the relief and the percussion therapy with this. So do I recommend a massage gun, and do I recommend this specific massage gun? So Not everyone needs a massage gun, but if you're like me, you're working out, you're practicing, you're training a lot, and most of the time you have sore muscles and you're not going every week to a massage, then you still need to alleviate and reduce inflammation and reduce muscle knots somehow. This is a very easy, very cheap, quick fix. You can watch Netflix, you can do something, you can listen to your favorite podcast or listen to your favorite YouTube channel, maybe athletical channel, and watch our videos while you're massaging yourself and relieving like tension in the pecs, shoulder, legs, triceps, whatever. I definitely recommend it. Thanks guys for watching the video. If you have any questions about massage gun and recovery and workouts and specific questions for me, feel free to comment, ask in the comment section. This was a quick review, hope you like it, and we're working on more videos just for you. Stay tuned.